Calibration of the tester may be required on first use, or when testing is conducted in a different ambient temperature, or when a new replacement probe pen is first used with the tester. To perform calibration, access the thermal conductivity cal inlet C1 located at the side of the tester. Depress the tach switch with the provided calibration pin. The buzzer will beep once and a blinking blue LED light will be shown. Fully depress the probe pen onto the cal disc and hold position. The buzzer will beep twice upon completion of cal calibration. When the green LED light is blinking, depress the probe tip against the glass disc. Kindly ensure to fully depress the probe tip and hold position. The buzzer will beep twice upon completion of glass calibration, and when the red LED light is shown, the calibration process is completed.